Ever dreamed of shaking cocktails in Paris, Rome, or Barcelona? Welcome to the world of the European Bartender School. Step inside one of the world's leading bartender academies and discover how experts are made. This isn't just about mixing drinks, it's about mixing cultures, skills, and dreams. Cocktail glass. Learning to bartend while exploring Europe? That's the dream, and it's real. It's not just bartending, it's a lifestyle, a skill, and a global career. The European Bartender School is one of the world's leading providers of bartending and barista education, operating globally since 1999. Courses offered and duration. EBS offers a variety of courses, but their flagship program is the International Bartender Course. Course name, duration, primary focus, suitability. International Bartender Course. IBC, 4 weeks, full-time, comprehensive training in mixology, free pouring, Flair bartending, spirit knowledge, 65+ cocktails, and service. Equivalent to 6 months of bar experience. Beginners and all experience levels. Barista course. Varies, shorter duration, check destination, high-quality coffee making, latte art, coffee bean knowledge, and running a coffee station. Beginners and all experience levels. Advanced bartending course. 10 days, 2 weeks, designed for working professionals, focusing on advanced mixology, ice carving, menu creation, precision, and flavor science. Highly recommended for those with previous experience. Basic bartender course. 1 week fast-track course covering foundational skills, free pouring, and around 20 classic cocktails. Beginners looking for a quick entry into the industry. Fees details. Specific course fees vary significantly based on the country, city, and exchange rate. You must check the official EBS website for the exact price for your chosen location and course. Payment structure. EBS commonly offers a flexible, interest-free payment plan that typically divides the total cost into 3 installments, e.g., 20% deposit, followed by 2 40% payments. What is included? Fees usually cover the instructor-led training, course materials, manuals, study notes, industry-standard equipment usage, and lifelong access to the job platform, EBS Match staff. Accommodation. EBS often offers subsidized accommodation options as an add-on, which is an additional cost. Entry-level and international requirement. Age. Most schools require you to be 18 years old by the time the course starts. Some locations, like New York, require students to be 21 due to local legal drinking age laws. Experience. The International Bartender Course and Barista Course are designed for beginners and require no previous experience. Advanced courses. Previous experience is highly recommended for the Advanced Bartending and Advanced Flair courses. Language courses are typically conducted in English, but some schools offer instruction in local languages, e.g., Spanish, German. International students and visa requirements. International students. EBS is a global organization that actively encourages international students to travel and train. Most students travel alone and quickly become part of the EBS community. Visa requirements. EBS does not handle visa applications. It is the student's responsibility to research and obtain the correct visa for the destination country. For the 4-week International Bartender Course, students often use a tourist visa or a working holiday visa, but this depends entirely on the visa policies of the country where the school is located and your passport's origin country. EBS Care can provide general advice, but you must contact the embassy or consulate of the destination country for authoritative visa information. Job placement. EBS graduates receive lifelong, free access to EBS Match staff, an exclusive job platform connecting their certified bartenders with bars, clubs, and venues worldwide. Locations. EBS has over 25 schools worldwide across 5 continents. Examples of popular destinations include Kos, Greece, Mallorca, Spain, Phuket, Thailand, Amsterdam, Netherlands, Barcelona, Spain, Berlin, Germany, Cape Town, South Africa, Copenhagen, Denmark, London, UK, Madrid, Spain, Milan, Italy, Paris, France, Rome, Italy, Sydney, Australia, Vienna, Austria, and New York, USA. Official website https://www.barschool.net. This is the best source for current pricing and dates. Phone number: +44 330 818 7066, UK contact number for general inquiries. If you're ready to start your bartending journey, the European Bartender School is waiting for you. New skills, new adventures, and memories that last a lifetime. Cheers! If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Join me to watch videos like this. Hospitality Hub. Thank you.